Hello everybody, 6 a.m. Not usually up this early, but we have a catering order for Black Walnut Cafe this morning. So that's what we're gonna do. That's why we're up. Let's go get it. And just like that, we are here. Black Walnut Cafe. And nobody's here because they're probably not open yet. Hopefully they have the door unlocked for me. Let's go find out. All right, we got it all loaded up. $615. And it sure as hell does not look like $615 worth. But anyway, we're gonna go drop it off. That's all dropped off. Let's get these apps fired up and let's get on with our day. Check in with the next order. We got our next order. It was Kolache Factory and we have arrived. We got to order this one. This was on favor. Should be about 10 and change. Let me go get it. All right, that favor's dropped. That's what I made for it right there. We got an Amazon 5 drops, which is Whole Foods. The only thing I do on Amazon Flex is Whole Foods drops. So we're gonna go pick that up and we're gonna go in fast forward motion. Deliver those deliveries. I'll check back in later. Just like that, we are done with Amazon. 5 drops done. To get all these apps turned back on, we have to backtrack back to our zone because we are well out of zone. I think we're already over 100, and it's 9:16. We left at 6. We'll take it, and I'll see you with the next drop. We have officially made it back through the zone. We had to ride empty. Still nothing. It's very slow out here. Uber, DoorDash, nothing. There's a few rides. They're all junk. Not doing that. I was hoping to get one to come back here, but they didn't have any. Nobody up there takes rides, apparently. So we'll keep waiting. I'll get back to a hot spot and we'll see. I really don't know what to say. We're going to do the catering. We got nothing in an hour and a half. Nothing worth a damn. Welcome to Tuesday. I have all these apps on and there's almost nothing. There was one, but it was a Walmart not assigned to me. And somebody got it. It was 3 items to shop for $20. And it was, the drop off was close to the catering pickup, so, but I was too late getting that one. So, nothing. They had one Target with the backtracking, would have been less than $1 a mile, and you had to shop for it. So I passed, but in hindsight, I would have took that one. If I knew it was going to be this bad. Let's go get that catering. We're going early. Hopefully it's ready and we can just drop it off early and get a full lunch out of it. Hopefully get something. Doesn't look like it's going to be too promising. Yeah, I've arrived. Velvet Taco, one of my favorite places to eat. And also pick up catering orders. Let's go inside and get it. Alright, all dropped off. All dropped off. Let's see if we can do some good DoorDashes for lunch. I don't know if I mentioned it. I took one for tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. It's $1,000 catering for Velvet. I won't be recording that one. DoorDash, crappy DoorDashes. But that's done. I would say we're probably at 150, considering we didn't do much of anything today. We just had some really good ones. I'll take that. But let's go to my normal hotspot for 11 and see if we can actually get decent orders. I'll check in with the next one. Here we go. We got one. Let me take a picture of that. We're going to accept it. Cheesecake Factory.
Head
Here we
south
come.
on 6 Pines Drive. Continue on 6 Pines Drive for a half mile.
We'll check in after it's dropped off and see how much we actually make, because it's not going to be $6.25. I would hope not. Would hope not. I'm a little concerned that it's only showing 6. But on catering orders, or any orders for that matter, if they're at least $1 above.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on 6 Pines Drive.
At least $1 above $2 a mile. There's a potential to go up, so gotta take this one. It's only 2 miles. If it's only $6, so be it. It should be ready. Cheesecake Factory usually doesn't sit around until they're ready. So I'm gonna go get it now and we'll see what we made. Yeah, DoorDash, for the millionth time, I'll take a picture of one of my mini catering bags so you know I have one. Please stop asking for it. I'm not going to be able to get any drop-off action on this because it's a handed to me. We are going to have to park illegally, which I do daily. It's just that there's the spots that are legal are already taken. They're never available. So we're gonna run in, run out. Cops will drive right past you. They don't care. They understand. So let's get in there. I love when people just stop so people can get out. Not a parking space, it's a road. We're backing up. nice of you. That's so nice. All right. Let's see. The trolley's parking illegally. No, he's not parking. Another one. I want to park right here. Well, the trolley is parking right there. Well, we're gonna park across the street illegally and walk over. That one's never an issue. We'll just do it right there. All right, when I'm back, I'm back. Holy crap, the wind is killer today. That's what I made. So far, so good. I mean, we're closing in on 200 on a very, very slow day. So let's hope we get one more of those and probably just start headed home. Because there ain't nothing really to take out here. We're gonna go park and see what else we can get. I really don't know what to say. This is not a day for quantity. It was pretty good with quality, but I like to have them both mixed together. I'm gonna start driving home. Hopefully get stuff going that way, but there's nothing here. This is the best spot to hang out, and I've seen a few, but they're not very good and not going towards my house. So we're gonna start driving away. Sometimes that helps, gets the juices flowing, and DoorDash sometimes sends you stuff. Hurry up. All right, I'm out of here.
West on Mall Ring Road toward Six Pines Drive, then turn right onto Six Pines Drive.
I didn't screenshot it, but
Turn right onto Six Pines Drive, then turn left onto Lake Woodlands Drive.
Shut up.
Turn left onto
Oh
Lake
my God,
Woodlands
shut
Drive.
up. There we go. All right. Yeah, I took one. It was $13 for 15 miles. Why'd you take that? It's literally probably right on my street. Not just my neighborhood, but close to my street. So I'm going to take that. Hopefully we can double up with other apps. Probably not. It's a total wine order. I forgot to screenshot it, but I'll send the screenshot after I drop it off. I guess I could put it here, right there. But that's probably it. I'm probably gonna stop recording for the day. There ain't much going on. It's hard to record at night because it's dark. So I'm gonna end the video here, and we'll tally up the numbers when I get home. Yeah, I just picked it up and I realized, yeah, it's literally across the street from my house.
Head south toward Lake Woodlands Drive.
Shut up. Across the street from my house.
Head west toward Lake Woodlands Drive.
Wow. That bitch is annoying. All right, I'll get back to you when I'm at the house. All right, got a Lyft ride completely on the way to the house. $6. I think it was like seven miles. Doesn't matter. Let's get $6 more on the trek. Now let's keep moving home. I got till 1:14 to drop off the DoorDash. And it's alcohol. It's not like it's food getting cold, so it doesn't matter. All right. If I get anything else, I'll check back in. And well, we're home. Thing dropped off. Of course, I forgot to take a picture again, but I went in my earnings and took a picture. I'll circle it right there. That's it. So it was a very slow day. We were lucky enough to have a very nice Amazon Whole Foods drop off, and the two DeliverThat's catering orders. If you're interested in signing up with DeliverThat, I'll put a link in the description below. We just had that one favor for anybody. This is the logo. If you don't know what favor is, you probably aren't from Texas then. It's really only in Texas, so unless you're in Texas, I guess I can put a link for that in the description as well, just in case. We had that $40 catering DoorDash, and the wine and the Lyft. I don't know what the tips are on the Amazon. I'm not going to know that till tomorrow afternoon. So I'm going to put them up here now. When I edit the video, we'll know exactly how much I made for this very slow breakfast / lunch shift. There it is. It should be between 200 and 210, but we'll see. Sometimes they lowball me on the tips on the Amazon. Sometimes they tip way more than I expect. So it's hard to guess with those. But the DeliverThats, I won't know the tips on those, but they generally average about 25, give or take $1 or $2. So I'm probably going to estimate right here $50 for those tips to get an approximate value of the shift and earnings for today. I'm going to continue to do these videos. I like to give people information that can help them be successful if they choose to do this kind of work. This line of work. It takes a little time and practice, though. You have to know your market. You have to know how these apps work. And you know how to put them together. One streamline income for you to do pretty well with. It can be pretty lucrative, especially when it's busier. Unlike today, because I still made over 200 in 7 hours, but most of it, a third of it, sitting around twiddling my thumbs. So if it was busier, it very easily could have been 250, maybe more. So that's it. I'll record again next week, and I'll see y'all then. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like